Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Binance to your Binance Web3 wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, before you start, just make sure that you are on the wallet section rather than the exchange section, because on the exchange you cannot transfer directly. So simply click on the wallet on the top of the screen and it will send you to the Web3 wallet mode. Then from here, go to the assets section on the bottom right. And then from here, it's going to give you multiple options. And then you're going to click on receive. Now from receive, you're going to select the first option that says transfer from Binance Exchange. And so you're going to click on that. Now from here, you can give you multiple cryptocurrency options. So from here, for example, if we choose USDT, then it's going to send me to this page where it's giving me multiple options for the network. So for example, Ethereum, and then click on continue. And from here, it's going to fill everything by itself, the address, the network, and you're simply going to select the amount. So for example, $50, and it's showing you right here that there's a network fee of 3.5 USD. And then once you click on transfer, it's going to send it to your Web3 wallet. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.